Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Tally Developer 786. Here we are solving Osmania University Bcom Computer Applications second semester subject programming with C and C++ practical question paper. Already we have solved 14 practical questions. Now we are moving for 15th. Here you have to do the program to find out factorial of a number. What is factorial? Factorial is denoted by exclamation mark. Factorial is nothing but multiplication, like we have done sum, right? Likewise here factorial. How it will be? Like if you say 3 factorial, it will be multiplying like this: 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. If you say 4, then 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. If you say 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Likewise it will give the order. So this is the factorial number. So for factorial number there are certain things which will come for the new. Here you are giving loop as well, and you have to concentrate here very good, otherwise you can't able to understand this program. So let us solve this one in our in our compiler Dev C++. Already we have solved 14 problems. Now we are going to solve 15th one. For that, press Ctrl N for a new program. Here you have to declare library function like hash include standard io dot h enter integer main. Okay, now parenthesis. This is what. Now here you have to do the answer. So here you have to declare two things, like I am declaring integer n comma I, because I am using loop. So for that reason, okay, we have given two variables over here, n and I. Now understand carefully, this factorial has unsigned values. User has to give this one, right? For that we use a keyword called unsigned. Unsigned long integer, whatever it may be, like long factorial, whatever you give, up to which one factorial? 9 digits. You can't get more than 9 digits. So long factorial we have to give. Factorial, it will start from 1, so factorial should be starting from 1. Terminate this one. This is called keyword for factorial. Okay, you have to remember this keyword, unsigned long factorial 1, otherwise you will not get the answer. So for user, initial output will be print f. It should be like enter an integer. You have given enter an integer. User will enter the integer. Now compiler will scan this one. So scan f. Compiler, how it will scan? Percentage D. As you are entering the integer, so percentage D, and give memory allocation by ampersand. Here you have given ampersand n. Terminate this one. Okay, now condition begins. If condition, if in bracket you have to give, so I am giving space here, and if n is greater than 0, you should remember n must be greater than 0, otherwise it will not show. Greater than 0. If n is greater than 0, now if it is not greater than 0, it should show error, right? So print f. For that reason you have given print f. Here is error. Factorial of a negative number doesn't exist. Okay, doesn't exist. This is the condition. Terminate this one. Okay, now else, what will happen? This condition else, it should be in parenthesis. So else what will happen? See here, else for loop. How we can give for loop? already I have said I is equal to 1, terminate this one, give space, I must be less than or equal to n, whatever the number it should be, terminate this one too, and here pre-increment, so plus plus I, bracket close, already it was closed, right, bracket close. Okay, now in this one you have to open another parenthesis. Why we are opening another parenthesis? See here, this parenthesis is for this one, loop. For loop we are entering the parenthesis. Factorial formula is multiplied by equal to and whatever the I is. This is the formula for factorial. Like here in sum of natural number we have taken plus is equal to, right, assignment operator. Now we are taking multiplication product equal to. This is the symbol for assignment operator. Okay, this formula you should know, you must know this formula. Okay, now the condition is finished. So after this condition finish, you are writing here user printf, give the quotation, you say factorial of percentage d is equal to percentage. Now you want unsigned, right, unsigned value. For that one, percentage LLU. What is LLU? Long unsigned value. Okay, after giving this one, you declare this one n comma fact. These are the formula also you have to write. So n is a variable, fact, and bracket close, it's already closed, and terminate. Okay, this is the thing. After this bracket you have to give return 0 for execution. Save this one as problem 15. Okay, check here what I have done. I have given keyword integer and variable declaration n and I is for loop. Remember this thing, for factorial it should start from 1, it should not be 0. So unsigned long factorial I have given. User will enter an integer and compiler will scan. Condition will be like it should more than 0. Okay, it should be greater than 0. If it is not greater than by 0, it is negative, right? So you have to show error. Factorial of negative number doesn't exist, you have given error. Otherwise you have for loop. For loop is this one, I is equal to 1 you have given. Okay, I is less than or equal to n, and pre-increment you have given. Factorial formula you have given. After that printf, user will get this one. This should be like whatever you are giving here, formula is LLU. LLU stands for long unsigned value. Okay, this is the new one. N is the variable declaration, fact is like formula from here. So we have to declare and say return 0. Save it, already you have saved, and press F11. there is no error and no warning. Please enter the integer. I am entering -2, so minus error. Factorial of negative number doesn't exist. This is how. Again F11, I am keeping 5, so it will show like 5 is 120. If you are showing like 12, press F11, say 12 is this much. Can you see here? You can't get factorial more than 19. Let us check here. Factorial 19 I want. It came, right? Factorial 19 it came. Again I am writing here F11, 20 I am writing. So it's coming here 20 also. Say 23 I am writing. 23 is also coming. Say 49. Number 49. 49 is also coming. F11. Oh, sorry. Say here 69. 69 it is not coming. Up to which number the factorial will come? Let us check here. 62 is coming. 68 not coming. 65, let us check here. 65 is also coming. Okay, 66, from 66 factorial will not come. So you must know factorials are coming 65 number only. Okay, after that it's not show. After that it is showing error. Hope you understand this problem. If you have any query or doubt, you can comment below so that I can answer you without any hesitation. You can ask me the question. Hope you understand this video, whatever the teachings are there. Thank you for watching.